Hello everyone, this is Tapesh God. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Guys, today I'm going to share my views on finish what you start. Guys, it's a practical tactics to grow your willpower. Is stop procrastination. Focus like a laser and achieve whatever you sets to your mind by following the finishing what you start. Guys, by finishing what you start is basically a most essential skill. It's the most valuable skills that you realize after some time. Like if your life is a series of unfinished tasks and intention, immediately stop it now, because finish what you start is a finish what you start is a psychology and a science of accomplishment, productivity, and getting the things done. Guys, if something we start, it holds true for every individual. If something what we start, basically it's our own decision to start something. And before starting anything, we as an wise individual, we should first take a note of pros and cons of whatever we had start. It may be a start of a business, it may be a start of a job, it may be a start of any course, it may be a start of anything. So after realizing pros and cons, we start something. And we set up the series like we had started this thing, and we divided our task into multiple series. And we decide that after this much time we'll finish this series, after this much time we'll complete finish this series. So once you finish what you will start, it gives you sense of accomplishment. It gives you a sense of confidence. And it's holds true. If you start something and leave it unfinished, so basically at some point of time you will start realizing that somehow it shattered your confidence. So it is very much required to finish whatever you start, just to get the sense of accomplishment, just to boost your level of confidence. There are multiple examples which shares, like somebody had started something. Like I had seen people saying ki I had started reading books, and I decided that I'll read a book, and after some time, whatever they had decided that they will read the book, they stop in between, like they had stopped reading the books. So basically after some time they also realized that whatever they had decided, they had not finished it up. Whatever they had started, and which is a good thing, they had started, they had not finished it up. It doesn't mean finish it up doesn't means like you should stop doing that thing. Finishing up means like if you decide to read a book, let me quote with an example. And you decide like every day I'll read two paragraph. And once you read two paragraph, so it means you had on a day, if you read two paragraph, it means you had finished the that particular day task. And I had seen people decided to that they will start reading a book, but and they decide that every day they will read a two paragraph, or they will read two page. But after reading one page, they start yawning and they feel like sleepy, and they went to bed. So it is like they had not finished the task. So just to get the sense of accomplishment, just to increase your confidence, I suggest whatever you start, whatever you task you decide for yourself. It may be a daily basis task, it may be a weekly basis task, it may be a monthly basis task. You should finish it up. So this is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe.